Hi everyone, I am Joseph and welcome to my mini vlog. Hi guys! Kung naghahanap kayo ng tablet na kayang palitan ng laptop for every task, let me show you the Huawei MatePad. Hindi lang siya tablet, it is complete 4-in-1 productivity setup. You have the Huawei MatePad, Smart Magnetic Keyboard, M Pencil Pro, and Bluetooth mouse. Kapag pinagsama-sama mo sila, para ka nang gumagamit ng PC, pero mas portable at mas convenient. Need to finish your reports, assignments, or presentation, keyboard gives you a laptop-like typing experience, perfect for students and working professionals. If you are into note-taking, drawing, or brainstorming ideas, the Huawei M Pencil Pro gives you a natural writing experience. It is smooth, responsive, and feels like writing on a paper. Okay, one of my favorite features is the split screen. Imagine watching your online classes or attending a meeting on the side while taking notes or editing documents on the other. Mas mabilis ang multitasking kaya mas productive ka everyday. And with the Bluetooth mouse, navigation feels just like using a desktop or laptop. Mas mabilis mag-edit, mag-browse, at mag-manage ng files. If you want a device that helps you smarter, work faster, and create anywhere, the Huawei MatePad is definitely worth checking out. Experience the power of 4-in-1 PC-like productivity today. Visit your nearest Huawei Experience store and try it for yourself.